What's good, everybody? My name's Andrew. Welcome back to the Brotherhood. Today, I don't know if you guys know, but my phone recently broke, and we bought a new one. A used one off of the internet, and we got it in the mail, like earlier today, and I already pulled it out of its packaging, but I have it here, and we're gonna do an unboxing of my new iPhone. It's supposed to be an SE Gold, okay? SE Gold. Okay? Now, I don't know if the footage is pretty good because I'm recording off my brother's phone, which is older. I don't know if it looks good or not, so here we go. Now, one of the biggest problems that I have right now is I have not opened this yet, but it is not sealed, and for some reason it is in an iPhone 5 box. It says 16 gigabyte right there. So, let's get into it, okay? Pull this off. Okay. Okay, this looks really good. iPhone SE. I think it's SE. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think it says SE. Alright, yeah, SE. Now, looks pretty good. Okay, I will not power it on right now. I'll edit videos so that I can power it on. And I have my old case, okay? And I'll put the old case on and set it up and everything. And I'll be good. Alright, so, let's just set that right over to the side. Let's see if everything came with the package. Let's see, pull that off. Okay, there's usually a, case that comes with this, and this is for, iPhone 6 or more, because it's not the recent headphone. But, they look in good shape. They don't look like they're messed up at all. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, set those to the side as well. Okay, messy. Alright, let's see. We have the, okay, we have the charging brick. Let's see if is it real? Is it, okay, it is an official Apple thing, so I guess it doesn't look like it's messed up at all. It looks pretty brand new. Solid. They did not package this crap, but looks charging port good. I'll test these stuff out later, okay? So yeah, looks pretty good, guys. Okay, I'm going to stop. Hold up. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop this video and get it set up and everything, and after that, we'll see how it is. Okay, guys, we're back. I've set up the phone and everything. I got it in my old case, and the charger and the headphones do work good. They work very good. Nothing wrong with it. See, it's charging right now. It's like at 13%. I got the Avengers all set up. The phone is completely set up. Okay, see. Okay, Touch ID does work and stuff, so nothing wrong with the home button. Looks solid. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked this video, hit like. Didn't, hit dislike. I'm not gonna tell you what to hit because, you know, it's America, free country, 107.3. Anyway, please hit subscribe to our channel if you are new, and share it with your friends. And well, I'm Andrew. This is the Brotherhood. Peace out.